In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an admin user in Goodday. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can safely remove admin access when someone leaves your company, changes roles, or no longer needs that level of permission. Make sure you're logged into your Goodday account with the appropriate rights to manage users before you begin. First, look toward the lower part of your Goodday interface for your profile icon. This is usually represented by your avatar or initials. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu that gives you quick access to various personal and account-related options. From the menu that appears, select Account Settings. This is where you manage your broader account configuration, including company-level settings and user management. Clicking Account Settings will take you to a dedicated settings page, which might take a second to load depending on your connection. Once you're on the Account Settings page, find and click on the section labeled Human Resources, or HR. This area is specifically designed for managing the people in your organization, including employees, their roles, and their permissions. Think of it as the central hub for your team and access management inside Goodday. Within the HR section, look for the option called Admins and click on it. This will open a list of users who currently have admin privileges in your company's Goodday workspace. Take a moment to review this list carefully so you're certain you're working with the correct person. Removing someone from the admin list will revoke their administrative rights, which can affect what they can see and do in your account. Now, find the admin user you want to delete. Next to their name, you'll see a trash icon. Click on this trash icon to start the deletion process for that admin user. In most cases, Goodday will ask you to confirm that you really want to remove this admin. This confirmation step is important because deleting an admin is a significant action and may be difficult to reverse. After you confirm, that user will be